how to use a tape measure. Like take 20. So we see that the inches are divided up into smaller increments. They are half-inch increments, eighth-inch increments, quarter-inch increments, and 16th-inch increments. Obviously, there's 16 sixteenths in an inch. There's 8 eighths. There's 4 quarters. And there's 2 halves to every inch, right? And you notice each one of those is half of the other, right? So a half is half of the whole. A quarter is half of the half. An eighth is half of the quarter. And a 16th is half of an eighth. So you'll see in this that the 16ths are in red. Right here there's 1/16, and next to that is an eighth. Then next to that is 3/16. So you know that 2/16 is an eighth, right? 3/16. A quarter is 4/16 or 2/8. And we have 5/16. And then 3/8 is, well, 3/8 or 6/16. 7/16. 8/16 is a half. It's also 2 quarters. It's also 4/8. I mean, all of those fractions can be simplified to 1/2, right? So if we were to add something like 5/16 and a quarter, right, we would have to change that quarter into 16ths. So 1/4 is the same as 4/16, so it would be 4/16 plus 5/16, which would be 9/16. Does that make sense? I hope so. And the same thing with eighths. If you were adding eighths to quarters, you would have to change those quarters to eighths, add the numbers together, and then simplify the fraction. Hopefully that helps.